Hello everybody, this is Tech Mason and this is a beginner's tutorial on how to use the Loft feature in SolidWorks. So let's get started. I'll first create, the Loft feature is constructed by profiles and paths. And so let's first create our first profile, which will be a rectangle. Let's make it 50 millimeters by, let's set 50 millimeters. Yeah. And let's make it 50 by 50, that's fine. Yeah, perfect. And let's go to the front plane, and I will create a reference plane from the top. Here it is, 50 millimeters, so it's 50 millimeters away. And let's go to this plane, sketch, and I will create a circle, which is my second profile. You can create as many profiles as you want, 2 or more, to create a loft. I'll make it 35 millimeters, but in this video we're gonna use only 2 profiles, and I will also make another tutorial for a more advanced use of the Loft feature, but this is just to get you started. So we have our 2 profiles, so let's create a loft. So we select our profiles, and here it is. So we have this nice shape, goes from rectangle to circle. Maybe you don't want this exact shape, because this is created by the software and you didn't say what path do you want it to follow, and that's the job of this line right here. That's the connector. If you move this connector, you're gonna see that how the shape changes, and you can also right click and say show all connectors, and you will see what path does each corner of the rectangle follows to meet the second profile, which is a circle. So I click, yeah, we've got this nice curved shape. But let's say we don't want this, we don't want to let the software decide the shape of our loft, or you don't want it to be connected in straight lines. So what you can do is you can create guide curves. So how you can do that? Let's go to the front plane, and I will go to sketch, and I will create a straight line, and I will say, I will click, control click, and I will say pierce. Yeah, and I will make it 17.5. Yeah, sounds about right. I'll make one more straight line. I'll say pierce. Yeah, and I will make it equal to the first one. And I will create a third line to connect those two together. And I will select the fillet, and let's make it about 30 millimeters. Yeah. Yes. And boom, we got this nice curve. And I want this from the other side also. Let's go create. Instead of creating, we can just mirror the entities. So boom, 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 and mirror about the right plane. Yeah, here it is, perfect. So let's go now create our loft. Let's select this and circle, perfect. And you can select your curve. You can do it manually, or you can press this little button here and it will select it for you. And boom, here it is. You can also add a thin feature, but be careful with that, because if you create the loft, which here it is, and if you try to go back, you won't be able to add the thin feature, as this is it's not added from the developers yet. So let's delete this. And if you want to add a thin feature, you have to do it from the first time that you will create the loft. So let's select again the profiles. And let's select the thin feature. Let's make it 5 millimeters. Oh, make it 3. Yeah, that's perfect. You can also change direction, so from the inside or from the outside. I'll go for the inside. And boom, here it is. Perfect shaped loft. And let's also change its appearance to make it nicer. Yeah, perfect. So, thanks for watching, and please let me know what you think in the comment section, and please give me some ideas on what tutorials do you want me to do. Thank you very much.